Alright guys, so this is probably the fastest video on the fastest beard color out there available on the market. In today's really fast video, we're going to talk about how we can find your perfect shade of beard color, how to apply the perfect shade of beard color, and just how fast you can actually apply it. So let's jump right in. This is Volt Instant Beard Color, and it really is instant. The moment you put this stuff in your beard, you know exactly where you're getting the color and what color you're getting. No waiting for dyes and stuff to soak in, nothing to wash out or clean. You can do it on the go. This is all you need. Fortunately for us, Volt makes it super easy to get your perfect beard color. If you head to the website voltgrooming.com, you can actually take a quiz that I will link in the description where you can find the perfect beard color for you based on a lot of swatches and some basic questions. Now, personally, my beard is a little on the medium dark side and it's got a lot of red in it. Now, when I took the quiz, it always gives me chestnut, which is a brown-red mix, which works perfectly for me, and I will show you how to apply it just now. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to shake the vial of beard color. There's a little bearing in there that mixes up all the ingredients, and all that bearing really does is it makes sure all the color is really blended well, and it gives you the most even coverage throughout your beard. You do that for only about 15 to 20 seconds, and then you can start unscrewing the cap, pull out the brush, and putting the color where you want it. Now, the other cool thing we're gonna demonstrate in this video is that the color actually doesn't just color your beard. It's not like a beard dye which requires hair to color. You can actually apply the color on your bare skin to actually fill in patches of your beard and give you a really crisp, clean, sharp looking bearded look. For example, the tops near my cheeks kind of fade out a little bit. The beard gets a little thin up there. So what I'm gonna do is apply the color up there to give me a sharp edge that blends in really well with the rest of my beard and makes me look like I've got a much fuller beard than I really do. Overall, this took no more than about a minute, maybe two if you're going really heavy with the color, but that is it, you guys. It dries in like 30 seconds. It'll last at least all day, and it's water and sweat proof for a good amount of time. One of the things I actually do really like about Volt is that it's all natural. You don't have to worry about allergies or ingredients or chemicals or anything like that that you often have to worry about with beard dyes. The other thing I really like about Volt is that you can actually take it off when you want it. It'll come off when you scrub it with soap and water, and you can reapply any way you want. So if you mess up a little bit, you're not stuck with dyed hair forever. You can take it off and you can reapply it. And you can probably take it off and reapply it 3 times before you would even ever be able to apply one application of normal beard dye. Not to mention, Volt actually looks a lot more natural because you can correct the opacity of it. And because you apply it every day, you don't have to worry about your hair growing out and revealing your roots. And that's why Volt blows the beard dyes out of the market. I'm actually gonna show you guys right now a before and after of my beard with and without Volt, so you can see just how natural it looks. See, doesn't my beard right now just look a little darker and fuller than it did before? So thank you guys for bearing with me and watching this quick little video. Just wanted to give you an idea of how fast Volt beard color really is. It really is instant. Now, we've got a ton of beard content on this channel, so if you haven't already, you're gonna want to subscribe for cool tips, tricks, and other videos on how to manage beard, men's lifestyle, that kind of stuff. So thank you guys again for watching. We will see you in the next video.